Can I bring nail clippers and tweezers on a plane? Hello, welcome to Travel Closely informational videos about air travel. In today's video we will be covering how to travel with your clippers and tweezers on a plane. Fingernail clippers, nail files, cuticle nipper, and tweezers are allowed on planes carry-on and checked baggage without any restrictions. Any type of scissors when packed in carry-on, the blades must be 4 inches or less when measured from the pivot point. Larger scissors must be packed in checked baggage. Ensure that any sharp objects in checked bags are sheathed and securely wrapped to avoid any possible injury to baggage handlers and inspectors. Can you take multi-tools on a plane? You can bring multi-tools that do not have blades in carry-on or checked bag. If the tool has scissors longer than 4 inches, 10 centimeters, or any knives at all, then you can only take it in a checked bag. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification.